Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on the smart band. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and brightness. Once you find it, tap on it like this. Then scroll down and find the option called sleep. Once you find the sleep option, tap on it. And here we have the list of durations we can select. We have auto, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and 20 seconds. Select the one you like, for example, 10 seconds. And once you select it, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch, or rather smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.